All right, so here's this kitchen knife set, and this thing I was a little bit skeptical at first because, it's just not like a, huge brand or anything like that. But it actually turned out to be one of our favorite kitchen tools because of how well these are made. So you can see it has like a nice design to it, something different from what you're used to. It's got like this lighter wood right here, and then it's got kind of like a cream color on the actual metal part. It's gonna come with that one right there. It comes with this smaller blade right here, a larger chopping blade, and then this blade, I probably use this the most. I feel like this one's the most versatile. And actually, when I'm eating steak, I just use this as my steak knife. So it works so well. Then it also comes with these scissors as well. That also has like a little bottle opener. And the base that it comes in is probably the main reason why we bought this in the first place, is because it just looks great in the kitchen. And you can see at the top here, it has these lines, and this is how the blade sticks in there. So when you push that in there, it's gonna hold the blade in place. And the more blades you have in here, the lines in the middle, they'll separate and it'll hold everything better. So when you've got just one blade in there, it looks like it's a little bit loose, but once you start adding the rest of the blades, it'll all start holding in place a lot better. Now you could also add more blades in here, more knives in here besides the ones that came with it. So you can see at the top there, there's still room for some other knives to add in. And again, I mean, this thing looks great, and don't let that deceive you. At first I thought, man, this thing might just look good, but not work very well. But after using it for a while, I can tell you that these blades work really good, and let me show you. So I've got a strawberry here, and we'll go ahead and do a quick little slice. And you can see how easy it is to cut it. And I know this is a smaller, softer fruit to cut, but still, I'm barely putting any pressure and it's cutting down. So be really careful when you're using this, because when you first get them, they are extremely sharp. I also like the fact that they are super thin. Some knives, they'll be thin on just the blade part and it'll get thicker, which makes it quite difficult to cut, but having this thin blade makes it really easy to cut all the way through whatever you're using it for. Most of the time we're using this on fruits, vegetables, and meat, and I'm really surprised at how well this works on meat, because usually that's the one that's kind of tough and difficult to cut. But yeah, these blades are awesome. I would highly recommend picking up a set of these if you're looking for a really good looking set that works really well.